Hello everyone. Today is the 20 March and my video topic will be plastic pollution. First of all, understand what is mean by plastic pollution. Accumulation of plastic in an environment, it is known as a plastic pollution. In plastic pollution increases day by day and it is a global issue of a plastic pollution. There are various resources of plastic pollution, single thin plastic will be used in various product of the plastics, and in a factory there are a variety of sources of plastic, and this plastic pollution are directly affect to the human beings, ecosystems and environment. These are the global issue and they are various dangerous issue of the human beings, and they are in this topic today is the discuss about the plastic solutions, plastic pollution and various resources, how they overcome and how they affected to the human beings. First of all, understand various sources of plastic pollution. Single use plastic, in billions of single-use plastic will be used in a everyday. Then plastic throws and in a domestic plastic bottles in domestic, various carry bags of single-use plastic, and the various are used in single-use plastic, and this is are the non-biodegradable, and this is will be so one of the source of the plastic pollution. And another one is in a industry like automobile industries and other industry, they use the plastic to the industry, but waste of the plastic will be thrown out, and this plastic will be non-biodegradable, and these are the another source of the plastic pollution. Also domestics and also various automobiles parts and domestic appliances part are developed by the plastic by using in production by using plastics, and this raw material will be throw after they are using, they are throw outside, and these are the one of the sources of plastic pollution. Then discuss how the plastic pollution affected to affect. First one in environment, in marine, in water, there are directly affect to the water combination, water plastic will be plastic pollution are directly affected to the in water, in sea, rivers are affected, and that's why they are the various animal will be degradation, because the plastic will be thrown in a sea and sea, and that's why they are pollution will be increased in ocean. Another will is directly affect to the soil. Most of the plastic will non biodegradable, that's why they in the soil they are not degraded, and that's why their soil will be affected, because the plastic will be not biodegradable, that's why they are affected to the soil. The soil will be damaged, soil capacity will be damaged, and that's why directly affected to do in agriculture and so on. Another affect to the air pollution, when some of the when plastic will be not degradable, that's why some of the cases the plastic will be fire, and that's why they are pollution, air pollution will be developed, and that's why ozone layer will be decreases directly. They are affected to the air indirectly. These are the environmental effect. Another one, human beings. in plastic will be used by humans in increases, and they are all time they are in every most of the work most of the in food industry they are packing by in plastic, and that's why they some microorganisms are stick to the in plastic, and that's in a food eat by the food in a plastic, and they are microorganisms coming to in a body. That's why various diseases will be developed, and they are affected to the human beings. And in a restaurant, the plastic will be used sometime, and in also package parcel system, there plastic will be used, and that's why they are dangerous to the human beings and will also increase the cancer and so on. Another effect will be in ecosystem. When using by the plastic, the most of the animals will be decreases in aquatic animal will various species of aquatic animal will be decreases because of the plastics will be thrown in the ocean, and that plastics are directly affected to the ocean animals, and that's why some of the species some of the fish species will be decreases, or aquatic species will be decreases because of the increase in the plastic pollution. These are the all effect of the plastic solution, how they are affected to the all. And when they discuss about how their plastic pollution will be decreases, first one is reuse, reduce and recycles. When in some time the plastic will be in only in single time, but this plastic will be used in a reuse, and that's why they multiple time then using the plastic. That's why they are not throwing outside, and that's why they are using in a one plastic using in a multiple slide, and this multiple type, and reuse and recycle the plastic, not thrown outside the not throw the plastic in outside. They are recycled and then used in a reuse. Some policies were implemented by governments when single use plastic will be banned, and the penalty will be in some shops, and that's why they are a good step to ban the single use plastic, to aware the human beings how the plastic will be are affected to the humans and also ecosystem. That's they educate the people to how they are affected plastic to the human beings. That's why they aware about that, and then they the that's why and another these are the some points will be a solution of the plastic pollution. These are all about the plastic pollution. Today's topic will be discussed. Thank you.